Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, hard drive won't open the file or directory is unreadable or corrupted. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk, space, /f, space, /x, space /r, space, drive letter, colon. My corrupted drive letter is E. Type exit from command prompt. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.